Meet Dash and Dot.
Hey!
Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.